Hi there. Today we're going to learn how to create a reading tracker. That way when we're reading, we do not lose our place and we can follow along as someone else is reading. So let's get started. First, we need a piece of paper. We also need a ruler, a marker or a pencil, a pair of scissors, and some wide, clear tape. So let's get started. First, I want to measure with my ruler on the inches side. That's the bigger measurement. I want to measure 1 inch. I'm going to place it right at the edge of my paper, just like this. And I'm going to measure 1 inch. I'm also going to mark it with a dot. Okay, I will do the same thing for the other side. Measure 1 inch, mark it. Now I'm going to connect both dots and draw a line. Just like this. Now I'm going to cut my line right along the line. Once I have my strip, I'm going to fold it in half. Open it, and I'm going to cut right on the crease or where I folded it. There we go. And now I have 2 strips. Next, I'm going to grab my tape and get a piece, stretch it for about the length of my ruler. I'm going to fold a little piece of the tape so I can stick it onto my table. And that way I can work with it. Okay. So now I'm going to try to place my ruler next to the tape so that I can place my first strip on it, and it will help me make it nice and straight. There we go. I will do the same on the other side. And the ruler, you don't have to do that. It's just a guide. So again, I'm going to use the ruler to guide myself. And I'm leaving a small space in the middle, placing it. And that's it. Now, I'm going to cut my tape. And I'm going to fold it. So right at the edge. And it's okay if it sticks. You can unstick it and redo it. Okay, now I'm going to do the same for the other side. And if there's any extra tape, you can just cut it off. There we go. So here's our reader. You can decorate it any way you want, or you can just write your name on it. Let's say my name is Mary. And we are finished. Now I can bring back my book and follow along, or know exactly where I am. At the palace, Cinderella entered the glittering ballroom. Glancing up, the prince saw her and fell in love at first sight. Good luck and have fun with your reading. Thank you for watching.